At this point, our donut is packed and then ready to deliver. At the same time, I have good news for you. Yeah, good news. Okay, so there is one of our sisters that paid for this donut class. At the same time, she already have a video and she love it. Okay, yeah, she paid for donut at the same time paid for puff puff. Yeah, so she paid for her donut class at the same time she's now going to pay for some person. Okay, she already bring 50,000 naira for one person that wanted to start up this business and she don't have money to do it. Okay, so she has already bring 50,000 for this person. So now we don't know this person yet. Okay, so he said I should give this to my followers that is ready to do this business but they don't have money. So that is a very good offer, and the same time this is the first time someone has done this for my platform. Okay, it's the first time that so much appreciate her for doing it, at the same time doing it for my platform as well. So because of it, I'm giving her the video for another person, so that is two, meaning that I will for her pay for one person, then I'm still going to make it for another one person, so that is two people now because she paid for one. So that means two people is going to be winning donut video for free. Okay, as you guys already know, I'm teaching this donut class like how to get it done for your business. If you're a business person want to use this as business, it's going to help you. So I have a video for it, everything you need to know about this donut, the ingredients needed, how to use it, how to mix it, how to fry, like everything is on the video. So if you bring your 50,000, the video is going to be for you. So all you need to do to win this money is just for you to comment in the comment section. Okay, let us know that you are the person that's supposed to win this money for free. Okay, so let us know like what is your reason, why did you think you need this donut for business. Okay, so let us know. So through your comments, I'm going to select like 5 people or 6 people from the comments, then I'm still going to give it to her. So from that comment, she's going to choose from 2 people. So that people that she choose from, and that will go to your platform to know if you're really our follower, because he said I should give it to my followers. So how to know if you're my follower is when I go to your platform, I will see at least one of my video on your platform that you are used to watch me, and you have even share my content on your platform, because when you are sharing my video, that is going to enable people that doesn't know me to know me. Sure you get. So when I go there, I see that I've already shared our content on your platform. At the same time, we like your comment to give you this donut for free. That means you have won it. Okay, so it's going to go for 2 people and then you can be the winner. I don't know. So that is just it. So my sister, if you come across this video, I so much appreciate you. Thank you so much for bringing this from your heart, and thank you also for loving the donut, because if you do not love the video, if you do not love the donut, you will not even pay for someone. So that is very, very good. I'm happy you love it, and I'm happy you even patronize for the first time to pay for yourself. So that is very, very good. So for those of you that haven't bring your money so far, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? It's 50,000 Nigerian money. Everything you need to know is here, everything, and this is going to serve you for business. Even if you are the one supplying the country you are, you will love it. So that is just it. So let me see you guys in the comment section. You can be the winner. Okay, so this, even if you don't win this one, always remember that you can win again next time when this opportunity comes. And if you have money to pay for yourself, just hurry up and do your payment, because you will love it. Okay, at the same time, always remember to share your favorite people content. Like I'm not saying I'm your favorite, but at least if you are watching me, you love what I'm doing, like once in a while you can always share my content to your platform, so that people that doesn't know me will know me. So that is just the reason of that share, and that makes you my followers, and that makes you my lover, you know. So that is just it. So once I see this in your comments, and the same time I see that you used to share our video, we say it's one video, I see that I've already shared our video, you are going to be the winner of this.